So hello, for today I'm going to discuss about the client and server system. So first we have here the client class. So here is the code for it, and as you can see we have the public class client, and then here is the scanner, and this one it's getting the local host IP. So this code gets the local host, and then the next one, which is this line, is it's established the connection with server, so with the port 5056, and then the next one, this two, this obtain input and output stream, so this two, and then so here the following loop perform the exchange of information between client and client handler. So this one, that loop perform the exchange. So for the next class, which is the server class, is so for the server class we have here the this is for the server is listening on port. So this listen to the port 5056, and then in this loop, this is the running infinite loop for getting the client request. So this is the getting the client request. So for this one, this line, it sockets object to receive incoming client request. So it receives the request, and then the next one, this two, is the obtaining the output in output stream, and then it will display assigning new thread for this client, and then the next one is this thread. So this thread create a new thread object, so it create, and then for this one it is invoking the start method, so it will start the process. So for the next one, this is the client handler class. So for the client handler, this is the constructor. And then we're gonna override here. And then for this one, for this loop, we're going to ask what the client wants. For example, he wants to know about the date or time. So the server will ask it. And then for this one, for this line, this will receive the answer from client. So this receive the answer from the client. And then for the next one is creating the date. So here is for the date, and here this switch is in creating an output stream based on the answer from the client. So we're going to create an output stream, and then so if the client wants the date, it will give the date, and then if the time, then it will display the time. So if the client put an invalid word, then it will display invalid input. So that's it. Let's try to run the code. So run. So for example, what do you want? So let's type date. We want to know the date. Enter. So as you can see in here, it showcased the date, and then we're going to try and know the time. Then enter. So it showcased the time. So if you want to exit, just type exit. Exit. Then the connection has been closed.